my favorite bunch of beauties. Welcome back to the channel. I have finally gotten my hands on the new Melt and Bailey Sarian collab eyeshadow palette, and it is the Fatally Yours eyeshadow palette. And this palette is, as of today, which is the 14th of December, but this will go up tomorrow. It's still available on the Melt website. It is $58, and this is an all matte palette. So we are going to be doing an all matte look today. And when you open it up, you have her eyes, and her eyes are usually, I would say, pretty smoky from watching some of her videos. But this is what the palette looks like. Oh my god. It is so nice and grungy. Ugh, I really wanted to get my hands on it. I had other plans this week for eyeshadow looks, but that had to be bumped to the side when this palette came in. There are 10 shades in the palette, so on par with some of her other palettes. I think like the She's in Parties and things like that. And I think the price is also on par with the price of her other eyeshadows. As you can see, am barefaced, so I am ready to do a look with this palette. And from what I am going to pull this film off, and you know we love it. But from what I read or heard about this palette, all of the shades are named after poisons. If you know Bailey Sarian's channel, she does like true crime and makeup videos. So that is her brand. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you what they are. So the first one is arsenic. So this is arsenic. This is cyanide. This one is thallium. And you have mercury, you have Sarin, sarin, I have not heard of before, which is this one. This one is phosgene, which I've never heard of. Ricin, I have heard of. Kerosene is here. Then you have strychnine, and you have lead. So those are all of the shade names. I love the sort of plaid, and this was not planned. It is just a coincidence that I have on a plaid sweater. But I like the plaid embossing also on the shadows. I have heard good things so far. I'm trying to decide if I am going to go ahead and do swatches. I am going to do swatches on the back of my hand, however, because of course I have on long sleeve today. I hate messing up the pristine beauty of this palette, but it's got to be done. So the first one I'm going to swatch is arsenic. And it's messed up. This is arsenic, very pigmented, close to my skin tone. This is cyanide. Ooh, this one is good and grungy. The next one is thallium, like a rusty sort of brown red shade. That is thallium. My swatches are going on kind of whack. I think it's because my hands are dry, but they are nice and creamy. The next one is going to be mercury, which is, it is a brown. I would say it is a cool tone brown. That went on nice and smooth. The next one is the Sarian or Sarin, S-A-R-I-N. Ooh, one swipe swatch right there. The next one is the phosgene, this sort of mossy green. And that is right there. We're going to start swatching on the sides. I am not the swatch queen. I just want you to see what the shades look like on my hands. This one is ricin. And actually, I'm going to put that, oh, so pigmented. This is ricin. The next one is going to be kerosene. And we'll put kerosene here. Kerosene is beautiful. We have strychnine. There is already, ooh, strychnine is, my hand is so dry. But this is strychnine, and excuse the swatch. I blame my dry skin and not the swatch. These are nice and creamy. And then the last one is lead, and we'll put that on this side. Ooh, lead is a nice, deep, dark black. So this is your color story. I am excited to jump in. I'm going to do what I always do. I am going to zoom in, and then we will get started with a look. Alright, so I am back. I just sprayed my face with some Fix Plus. But this is the final look. I love it. I love it. Where is that angled brush? Yeah, I love it. I like how that, what is that shade? I like how the shade Arsenic looks on the lid. I would use this over the entire lid and then use that in the crease and be done. I can see several other looks with this palette. This palette is gorgeously grungy. It is one of Melt's, you know Melt is sort of hit or miss, but it is one of their better palettes formula wise. I love the color story. I like Bailey Sarian anyway, so I knew as soon as I saw that this was from her or a collab with her that I was going to get it because I knew it was going to be something different, and indeed it is. I like this very much. Like I said, it is available now on the Melt website. I don't know if it's on Sephora yet, but it's indeed on the Melt website, and it is $58 if you want to pick it up. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.